Hello everyone, I hope all of you are well and good. Today in this video we can see some sample questions from chapter linear equation. So we will explain all these questions one by one. These 7 questions are of different types. So one by one we will explain. Okay, here we go. You can see the first question. First question is determine graphically uh, whether the following pair of linear equation 3x minus y equal to 7 2x plus 5y plus 1 is equal to 0 has unique solution or infinitely many solution or no solution. So process, you know this. If graphically we want to represent, then you have to separate x or y. So I have separated y, and one by one value of x we have put 0. You will get minus 7 2 minus 1 4, and you will get the value y is equal to 5. If you put 0 to 4 in place of x, you will get minus 7 minus 1 5. Similarly here we have also separated x in form of y, and one by one we put value of y 1 3 minus 1, and we have got the value of x minus 8 and 2. Okay, so we have got 3 and 3 6 points. We represent these 6 points, and we will see this that what type of lines we are getting. Okay, let's see. So here is the picture graph. These are 3 points, and these are 3 points for the second lines. So if you represent 0 comma minus 7, this is 0 comma, this is 0 comma minus 7. uh, if you put 2 comma minus 1, that is 1 2 comma minus 1, that is this one. If you put 4 comma 5, so this is 4 comma 5. Okay, so if you join this 3 point, you will get this line. Okay, and if you join the other set of 3 points, minus 3 comma 1, this is minus means left hand side and plus means upward. Okay, so this is negative side of x, this is positive side, and upward is positive side of y, and this is y minus negative side. Okay, so minus 3 comma 1 minus 8 comma 3, so this is minus 8 means left hand side, and plus 3 means upward. And 2 comma minus 1 already we have pointed. So if you join, then you can see these two lines are intersecting. So which will be the correct option? Option 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 1, a unique solution means you will see that how many points of intersection you are getting. So if you are getting 2 points of intersection, the two solution. But generally what happen, either you will get unique solution, like this intersecting line, or you will get two lines parallel, that means there is no solution. This type of another line, you will get it parallel line, so there will be no solution. And mm, another cases, you can see other 3 points are falling on the same line. Okay, same line, so you will see another lines is coming on it only. Okay, so this will be lines of these two lines will coincide each other. That time each and every points will be the solution. You will see that we will say that this is these two lines has infinitely many solution. Okay, so on it your interest point if one point of intersection is coming, then unique solution, unique. Okay, if two lines are parallel, then there is no solution. Okay, and if two lines are coincide each other, then we'll say that infinitely many solutions. So in this case we can see one point of intersection, that means these two lines has how many? Two lines has unique solution. Okay, fine. Second question. Okay, second question is very nice question. Question is question is question is just a second. hmm Oh my god. The students of a class are made to stand in rows. Means this type of, suppose students are there. Rows 1 2 3 4 5 6. Suppose in each row, suppose in each row how many students are there? In each row x students are there, and how many rows are there? Y rows are there. So tell me, what will be the total number of students? Total number of student will be total number of students is equal to what? X into y, xy. Now coming to the condition is given what? If three students are extra in a row, that means x plus 3, three student extra in row, each row x. If I increase 3, so it will be x plus 3 are extra in a row. One there will be one row less. That means that case number of rows will be what? One less. Generally, in the starting there are y rows, now one less. In this condition, x student extra in each row, that is x plus 3, one rows will be less. If I increase the number of students, right, in this way, if we increase, the row will decrease. Understand? So if we increase the number of students in a row, x plus 3, so every row there will be three more. Yes, this way, this type of three more students will be in each row. That time your these rows will be vanished, means one rows will be deleted, there will be one less row. So mind it, every time the number of students are same. So in this condition, if we multiply the students in every row and the number of rows, then also we will get this one. If you simplify, this is one condition. If you simplify that, you will get xy minus x plus 3y minus 3 is equal to xy. So xy will be cancelled out. So one equation you will get minus x plus 3y is equal to 3. This is one equation. Okay, all right. Another equation will be what? Another equation is condition is what? If three students are less in a row, then there should be two row more. That means now x minus 3, each row three student less. So this type of three student, if we delete, if we remove three student, okay, the number of rows will be what? Rows will increase. Rows will increase. Okay, rows will increase. If we reduce three student in each row, then your rows will decrease. If we increase number of student in every row, you know this, what is row and what is column. This horizontal line is called the row, this is row, okay, and this is called column, column, column. Fine. So if we means three students are less, if we remove three students from each row, then our number of rows will increase. Okay, so now every row x minus 3 students, and how many rows we are getting? We are getting how many rows extra? Two rows extra. So now x minus 3 student in each row, and total number of rows y plus 2. So if you multiply number of student in each row and total number of rows, then you will get total student xy. Okay, initially students were xy, so every conditions number of student will be xy, so that is why it is equal to xy. So you multiply x into y, 2 into x to x. All right, this is minus 3, just a second, this is minus, just a second, so this is xy plus 2x minus 3y minus 6 is equal to xy. Xy again cancel, so that is 2x minus 3y is equal to 6. Now this equation you multiply by 2, so this will be minus 2x, okay, plus 6y is equal to 6. Got it? So if you put it here, minus 2x plus 6y is equal to 6, and if you add, then you will get it 6 minus 3, that is, this will be cancelled out. This is 3y is equal to 12, so y is equal to 4. That means total number of this is what? Rows is 4, and how many students are each row? So put x is equal to, here if you put x is equal to 4, then you can see this 4 to 12, 12 minus 3 9, number of student in each row is coming 9. So actually x is equal to, you are getting 9, and y is equal to 4. If question asks that how many students are there in this condition, so 4 9 are 36 students are there. Okay, I hope you understood. Coming to the next question. Okay, so next question, this is question number 3. Question number 3. Question number 3. Here you can see this denominator x plus y, x minus y, x plus y, x minus y. Just I'm showing you the initial step. In case of this, you will take this type of cases. You assume that u is equal to x plus y and b is equal to x minus y. Then the whole system will be converted as 5, this 1 upon xy, okay, 1 upon x minus y. So e is equal to 1 upon x plus y, v is equal to 1 upon x minus y. So that is 5u minus 2v is equal to minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Another equation is 15u plus 7v is equal to 10. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2, right? So you can see this is 15 and this is 5. So we can multiply the first equation by 3 and we can subtract the second equation. So if you multiply 5 3 ja by 3, 5 3 ja 15u minus 3 to just 6b is equal to minus 3. Now 15u plus 7b, we are not multiplying anything with 2, okay. Now sign change, okay, minus, this is minus, okay. So this is cancel out, 7 minus this will be what, just a second, this will be, yes, this will be minus, sign will be change, plus will be minus, okay. This was equal, so plus will be minus, so minus 6 and minus 7 is minus 13, v is equal to minus 13. So v is equal to 1, u equal to, if you put the value of v here, u here, v here, so you will get it. If you put v is equal to 1, then you are getting what? U is equal to uh, u is equal to plus 2 minus 1, 1 1 upon 5, okay. Now original value of v is what? 1 minus x minus y, that is equal to 1. That means x minus y is equal to 1, and another u is equal to 1 upon 5. U means what? 1 upon x plus y is equal to 5. All right, 1 by 5. Yes, so if you take the reverse of this, so that is this. So two equation you have got, one is this, another is this. So if you add these two, then you will see that the y will be cancelled out, okay. So 2x is equal to what? 5 plus 1 6, 5 plus 1 6, so x is equal to what? 3. Now anywhere you put down the value of x, you will get, suppose if you put here x is equal to 3, then you will get y is equal to 2. So y is equal to 2. So x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2, you will get it, okay, fine. Next question. Next question is number 4. What is the condition of coincident line? I'm telling that you have seen this a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Two lines will have coincident, will be coincident line if a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. So you compare this, you will get in from the first 2 and this is 3. 2 upon 3 minus 3 y coefficient minus 3 here y coefficient k is equal to constant term 10 here constant term 15. So if two lines will be coincident, then this one value will be all this ratio of coefficient will be same. So if you do the cross multiply, so easily you will get it. So k is equal to minus 9 upon cross multiply 9 upon 2. Okay, and this is also you see this, if you cancel out then 5 2 ja 5 3 ja, so both are, this is 2 by 3 and this is also 2 by 3. All right, so value will be minus 9 upon 2. If you have any question then you will text me the sir in this place I can understand. Okay, all right, so for k is equal to minus 9 by 2, these two equation will have the two equation will be coincident lines. Okay, next question, that is question number, next is infinite number of solution. Infinite number of solution, you compare this to infinite number of solution when again if parallel then there is no solution, because you know this parallel line don't have any common points. So this is this, just a second, these two are parallel so they don't have any common point. If intersect then only one solution, and if coincide each other then there every point will be, every point will be solution, so infinite solution. So condition coefficient, the ratio of the coefficient will be equal. So infinitely many solution means coefficient will be, ratio of the coefficient will be equal. So x coefficient from the first line we get 2 and from second line 2a, so 2 upon 2a will be, y coefficient is 3, you can see this 3 and here a plus 2, a plus b, and here constant term is what, minus 7. If we shift 7 in left hand side and here minus 28, you can also write 7 upon 20 because minus minus will be cancel out, but make sure both the constant term either right side of equal to or left side of equal to. If one is right side, 7 is right side of equal, 28 is left side, then you will get wrong answer. Okay, fine. Now we will simplify, 2 2 will be cancelled out, so that is 1, this 7 upon 28, that is if we reverse both side taking reciprocal of it means taking reversing both side, will get this. Okay, a is equal to 4. So again if you take these two then you will get a and 3, a means 4, okay, plus b is equal to 1 upon 4, 7 1 ja 7 4 ja. So if you simplify, if you do the cross multiplication, you will get 4 3 is 12. 12 is equal to 4 plus b. That means b is equal to 8. Okay, you understand me? I hope all of you understood. If you have any problem then you will text me. So once again I am telling you, so infinite means coefficient, here coefficient 2 2a 3 a plus b 7 8. Then from this equation, this equation, if you take any two of this then you can easily find out. I have taken this and this first, okay, then this and this, putting the value of this. Okay, fine. So a is equal to 4, b is equal to 8. Next question. This is also very popular question. Every time we see in the board exam, this type of question comes. The sum of digits of a two-digit number is 15. So you know this, that suppose 57 I am taking. So this is ones place and this is tens place, right? Two-digit number. So what is the number? The digit which will be in the tens place will multiply 10 with this, and which will be in place ones place will multiply 1. So this is 5 10 is 57. Okay, So here condition is given what? Here condition is given that in a two digit number, in a two digit number, sum of the digits is what? 15. Sum of the digit is 15. So suppose you are taking x, tens place is x, 1 place is 15 minus x. You can take the variable y also, but I am not taking y. Okay. So what will be the number? The digit will be 10 plus will multiply 10 with this 10 into x and a 1 into 15 minus x. Alright. So if we simplify, then this is 10x plus 15 minus x, that is 9x plus 15. Okay. This is the numbers. Okay. Now next condition is what? Next condition is that the number the number the number obtained by interchanging the digit exceed the given number 9. Means if we interchange the digit, the new number will exceed means more than the old number, original number, by 9. So if we exchange the digit, so 15 minus x will come here and x will come here. Okay. So number will be what? New number will be what? 15 minus x, okay, multiply 10 plus 1 into x, because now this is in tens place, so 10 we will multiply 10 with this, so this is 150 minus 10x plus x. So this is 150 minus 9x. Now they are telling this new number is greater than the old number. New number is greater than the old number. New number is greater than the old number by what? By 9. That means 150 minus 9x. This is greater than the old number, that is 9x plus 15. This value will be equal to 9. Okay, simplify 115. So this is equal to 9. So 18x is equal to, now you will come this side, this, so x will be what? 7. So x is 7, so this place is 7, this will be 7. Okay, so this will be what? 15 minus 7, 8. So the number is 78. The number is 78. The number is 78. All right. Okay, chalo, very nice. Next question. Hope all of you understood. Once again, I'm just 2 minutes, I'm taking 1 minute. So suppose one number is a 1 tens place x, and ones place will be total digit 15, sum is 15, 15 minus x. So number we have got, multiply 10 with 10 place and 1 with this. Again if we interchange the digits, 15 minus x will come this side, x will come this side. Okay, so you will get new number. Now they are telling new number is greater than the previous number or the original number by 9. So their difference, new number minus previous number or the original number, equal to 9. Now if we simplify, we will get the value of x is equal to 7. If we put the value x here and here, we will get 7 8, that is 78 is the required number. Okay, fine. Okay, in this question you see a seller goes 8 km downstream in 40 minutes and return in 1 hour. Find the speed of seller in still water. Means we know that in if we see a river or sea or ocean, so you can see the you can feel the speed of current. Okay, means water is pushing the object, so this is called the speed of current. This is called the speed of current means the water flow. Okay, current. Suppose this speed is x, and the boat is given. Okay, suppose boat is given, so boat speed is what? Seller is selling the boat, so is y, km per hour. So all calculation will be in km per hour only. Okay, so there is two cases. If it is boat is flowing towards the, if boat is flowing towards the current, okay, then it is called the downstream. So in case of downstream, resultant speed will be more, resultant speed will be x plus y, and if the boat is, the seller is selling against the stream, then it will be upstream. These two cases you have to be very clear. In that case, resultant speed will be x minus y. We will not say velocity. Velocity means particular direction, there will be no change of direction, but here every time direction is changing. So downstream is x plus y kilometer per hour, upstream x minus y. Okay, it is very clear. Now total distance will be what? Time into, total distance is always what? Time into speed, time into speed. So in fast case, 40 minutes is taking, means downstream, that is why total speed is more, so time is less. So in downstream, speed is x plus 4 and time is 40 minutes, means 40 by 60 hours. So this is the distance. Distance is what kilometer? 8 kilometer. So this is equal to 8. One equation we are getting, x plus y equal to what? 0 0 will be cancelled. So this is 12 is coming. Okay, this is one equation. Another equation, in case of when it is coming against, so that time velocity speed is what? X minus y. Okay, and time is taking 1 hour, so multiply 1, total distance is 8. So another equation, you are getting x minus y is equal to 8. So this is one equation, and this is another equation. So if you add, then you see that y will be cancelled, plus and minus. So 2x is equal to 8 plus 12, 20. So x is equal to 10. X is the speed of current. So this is current speed. So if you put x is equal to, oh, we have changed it. So this will be boat speed x and current speed y, because boat speed minus current speed. So x we have got 10 and y will be what? Y will be 2. Okay. So here boat speed is 10 and y, that means the current speed is 2 kilometer per hour. So these 7 questions are very interesting. Different types of questions I have taken. Maybe it is number of 7 question, but it is 77 types of question. Each and every questions are different. Okay, so you will practice it. I hope your chapter will be prepared. Thank you so much.